Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a great big idea that I've had. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's get into the video. So ladies and gentlemen, how are we all doing? I hope you're doing well. Now, this great idea of mine, basically what I'm looking to do is a 30-day challenge. What is a 30-day challenge, I hear you ask? Basically, I'm going to attempt to do a video a day for 30 days, starting from the 1st of August. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? I don't really know till I do it, but I want to give it a go. I want to challenge myself. I want to be able to get more content out day by day, which allows more people to get eyes on my videos, more watch time and more subscribers, which is the main goal. So I'm not going to sugarcoat it and tell you guys that I know what I'm going to do for those 30 days, because I don't. If I knew what I was going to do, it wouldn't be a 30-day challenge, would it? I will, however, say that I am actually off on holiday for 2 weeks in August, so I'm going to have at least 14 days or so to make some content up, get it out there so you guys have something to watch. And from the 1st of August, the video may only be a couple of minutes long, it might be a quarter of an hour long, it might be half hour long, who knows. But the idea is to challenge myself. And I know you guys have been enjoying the content that's out at the moment. Admittedly, I would like to be able to put out more content, but obviously work commitments and so on. And that horn is pathetic. But the idea is, if I can get 30 videos out in 30 days, it challenges not just me as a content creator, but also challenges my editing skills, my talking to camera, and so on, which is something I haven't done in a while. I mean, obviously, yes, I know I am talking to camera now, but actually being in front of it, which is something I haven't done in a little while. I want to try and get some more product reviews out there so you guys have got something to watch as well. It's all well and good watching me rolling around London like I do, but it would also be nice to give you guys something different, a bit more up close and personal, you know, product reviews and so on. And this is all part of my grand scheme. I want to be able to give you guys a variety of content that you can all enjoy. Like I said, whether it be a product review, a bike review, a general vlog like something like this, or something in between, you know, like a track day or something, which again, it's like I've said in previous videos, is on my list. I want to do a track day this year if I can. If not, there'll be other opportunities. Oh, excuse me. I would also like to welcome any new subscribers to the channel. So there's one particular person I want to say hello to. It's a lady called Vicky, who's a mum at my stepdaughter's school, who thinks this old girl is rather sexy. So Vicky, welcome aboard. If you're not a subscriber, please remember to tap that like button, ring that bell so you're kept up to date with any notifications of any new content that I put out. And thank you for supporting the channel. So back to my great big idea. The idea of the 30-day challenge, like I've said already, is to try and improve my editing skills, improve my motovlogging skills, and just generally get more into the workflow of doing videos on a regular basis. Because right now my workflow is quite sporadic. I'll do 2 videos one week, 3 the next, and then I won't do any at all for a little while, which is something that I want to try and avoid. I want to be able to put content out on a regular basis so you guys know when to expect my content to drop and so on. And that's why the 30-day challenge is going to challenge me to not only just make good content, but also be consistent with it. And it may be something that you guys want to watch, you might not be, but the way I see it, if I don't challenge myself, I'll never know. I want to be able to turn around and say to you guys at the end of 30 days, do you know what, it was fucking hard work, but I did it, it was enjoyable, and I challenged myself, which is something that I don't normally do. Because I can talk and talk and talk, it's part of my job, do you know what I mean? But being able to talk and be concise and give you guys information and knowledge, and just generally being able to, you know, not open myself up to you guys, but to put myself in a position where you guys get to know the real me, if that makes any sense at all. It's one of those situations where, you know, I love talking. Well, like I say, I do it for a living. Talking is my job. You know, I'm a sales assistant. It's what I do. The point I'm trying to make is that I want to be able to get to a point in my YouTube career and in my YouTube journey where people can actually watch my content and enjoy it. Do you know what I mean? That's where I'm at a minute. I'm at a stage where I want people to enjoy what I'm making, enjoy what I've got to say, and actually get something out of it. And I know that sounds like I'm waffling a little bit, but that's precisely how I see it. I want my content to be concise, precise, and entertaining. So, you know, do you know what I mean? It's like, I get times where I think, do you know what, I'm making really good videos, and I'll make 2, 3, 4 videos back to back, and I think, yeah, the content's really good. And then I'll make one video and the content might be, in my opinion, really, really piss poor. But it might do well in terms of views and subscribers. So in terms of finding what works on the channel, you know, it's a learning game. Do you know what I mean? It's all well and good being, oh yeah, this will work, that will work, blah 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 blah. But if it doesn't, then I need to learn to stop being so hard on myself. I need to be able to obviously be critical of my content to a degree, but I need to get more consistent. Do you know what I mean? And yes, I know that sounds like I'm being way too tough on myself, but I'd rather be tough on myself and get the content correct, and, you know, get my editing skills up to par. And, you know, I know I'm a million miles away from being like Chase on 2 Wheels, Motonosity and those kind of guys, but I do know that with a bit of practice and some perseverance, I'll get to where I need to be. It's just, you know, time. I need to be patient. That's my problem. Like I've said in previous videos, I'm one of these guys that wants it now. You know, I'm just so impatient, it's ridiculous. But, you know, that's just me. So, you know, as always, guys, like I always say as well, you know, I love your guys' support, I love the comments, I love the thumbs up. You know, it helps the channel out a lot, it helps me out. It helps me become more proactive on the channel. It helps me get more in touch with you guys as you know, subscribers and viewers. It helps me as a content creator sort of double down on what I know works on the channel, if that makes any sense. But for now, the 30-day challenge is my most recent and biggest idea so far. So if you've got any questions or got any comments regarding the 30-day challenge, or even any sort of advice or support, you know, it's all greatly appreciated. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I love the fact that I've got you guys supporting me. I love the fact that I've got you guys giving me the time and the energy to keep doing what I'm doing. You know, I love all you guys for that. But for now, you have been awesome. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder. So for now, look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road, be aware of COVID-19, make sure to enjoy your bikes, enjoy life, and enjoy each other in the nicest possible way. But for now, this is me, Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying adios.